How many people thought that, hey, I just have been just done wrong. His plans are true, and his word never returns void. If God said it, Destiny's Child wrote this song called Survivor. Now that you're out of my life, I'm so much better. You thought that I'd be weak. You thought that I'd be broke without you, but I'm richer. You thought that I'd be sad, but I'm laughing hard. They thought they had him, Minister Lamar, but I can see him in there. You thought that I'll be sad, but I'm laughing harder. You thought that I wouldn't grow, but I'm wiser.